Welcome back to Retro Phone Show, and in this video we're going to be having a look at this Dsfen V1 Chinese phone. So what are we waiting for? Here we go! Here we have the Dsfen V1 Chinese phone. Let's get him out of his box and have a look at him then. We have a charger and a charging lead. We have a big huge battery. Here's the phone itself. I've wrapped them up well just to keep them safe. Yeah. Just show you what it's like a minute. Let's open him up. It's huge. Yeah. Very nice phone. It has got a camera. We'll check the camera out in a minute. In a bit. Yeah. Let's take the... I've already installed my SIM card. So let's put in the battery now. Yeah, the battery goes in there, like so. Yeah. Tells you what it says on the back. Music, SMS, movie and games. The screen is a bit smudged and dusty. Just power them on there. Be warned, it's very loud. There we are. UK Vodafone. It has got two SIM card slots, but I'm only using the one at the moment. I have checked the two, they both working fine, but we're just going to use the one just for this video. Close him up. You have that. We haven't got to have the clock on there. You're going to have the date and the clock and all on there, but I choose to have the big clock on there. Okay. It's cool. Right then, let's have a look at the other stuff. There you have all this. It's not a Android, it's just a basic phone. It's not a smartphone. Let's have a look at profiles. It's only ringtones on here. So all you guys these two ringtones here, so it's that one. You can install more songs apparently. And there's this one. There we are. Let's show you the camera. Oh, hang on, we took a photo. Hang on. Back. Here's the camera. It's pretty poor, the camera is mine, but it's okay. There we are. Here's the camera. And multimedia. That's empty. The radio, we've got to plug in the headset, which I didn't have with it. So I think you have to use the headphones, which go in the charging port there. It's a very nice design though. You've got the black and the gold. On the sides as well, you have the volume rocker. And the speaker there when you're talking on the phone. And you have obviously the charging port there, which you'll probably have to use for the radio and the Walkman as well, or whatever you want to call it, MP3. There's your hinge top, and obviously there's your camera and there's your loudspeaker, which is mega loud. It's a very nice phone. It did come from China as a China phone, but it's pretty heavy as well. That's probably because of the battery, but it's pretty weighty. And as you can see when you open it up, it is huge. It's massive. But I've showed it to a couple of people, and they've said it's a very nice style phone. It looks very expensive, but obviously it's not. I think if you bought this in the UK, it'd probably cost you, if you can get it, it'll cost you between 50 to 60 quid, which ain't bad. Yep. Right, so there's ring it in a minute. Show you what it's like when it rings. Again, here we go. Should ring now in a minute. And there you are. If you have a missed call, then this will keep on flashing here, the phone, the symbol. And you have another one as well for the message, which is here, the message, the symbol, the envelope will flash. And if you've got your music on, you're playing your music, I think the middle one will come on, flash. So there you are. That is the Dsfen V1 Chinese phone. It's a very cool phone, I think, myself. But like I said, if you want just a normal phone for ringing in and ringing out and texts, this would be ideal. And the buttons are big as well, so you know you'll be able to see the buttons and could easily touch them because they're massive. There you are. And there you are, guys. That is the Dsfen V1 Chinese phone. I'm not sure when this was released. I haven't got the clue. So, sorry about that. I can't tell you the year it was released. But anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. And as always, I'll be back soon with another video. But until then, thank you very much and bye!